everybody. I hope everyone is doing well. Happy New Year. My name is Nikol if you are new to my channel, and if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you for coming back. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's all greatly appreciated. Join the family so we can all have fun together. You feel what I'm saying? But in today's video, I'm going to be bleaching my hair. Kind of impulsive, but that's to be expected for me. I feel like I've done everything with my hair. I eventually do kind of want to go in depth about my hair and where it's at currently and why I make the decisions that I do. It's still a bit sensitive for me, but I do feel like it's something that I can still open up about because I feel like, you know, I'm not the only one struggling with it and it could potentially help someone else. So at some point in this year, I will, you know, speak on it or whatever. But until then, we about to bleach this thing per. So I'm going to show y'all everything that I have and we are going to go from there. Okay, so I have some BW2 bleach from Clairol as well as 30 volume developer from Clairol as well. Both left over from when I bleached the knots on my wigs, as well as the brush and mixing bowl. I picked up these gloves and the previously stated items from Sally's, and the purple shampoo and conditioner I got from Target, all which will be linked in the description below. Okay, so I initially start with 2 scoops, and I usually don't really measure. It's just a certain texture that I'm looking for. When I'm mixing bleach, I don't want anything too runny, just because you want it to actually process the hair. Like, as far as me bleaching my hair, I don't want the bleach to run all down my face or anything like that. So that's why I want it thick so it can actually process the hair. Even if you were doing lace, you don't want it to seep through the lace. You want it to stay on the knots. So just working to get a thicker texture, and that's what you see me doing here until I have something I'm able to apply. So, disclaimer, we all know I'm not a professional. I'm about to bleach my hair. I already mixed it. So I'm about to just put it in my hair. Y'all, I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, y'all, I messed up. I let it sit a little bit, but I don't think I should have. It was an accident. I got occupied. We can see that. I'm gonna tell the truth. Like, I watch Brad Mondo videos, and I feel like he would be upset, but I don't know. I do watch a lot of his videos, but I never thought I would be making one of these. But you know, I always said I was gonna do it, but y'all know my hair naturally red, so I had always promised my mom that I was never gonna dye it, but like that was under the circumstances that I had, like, you know, long hair. I mean, in my mind. You know, I just feel like it's only 1 inch long, you know, it's gonna grow back. So why not just do the experience? My best friend. Oh, y'all, my eyes, the fumes. Anyway, my best friend, Chrissy K, they on YouTube. She wanted me to dye it periwinkle, but I told her, like, I think I'm about to bleach it. Y'all, it's already processing. Okay, yeah, that's what I meant to say. He might have an attitude with me. He as in Brad Mondo. Lord, how am I gonna do this? So the reason I thought that he was gonna have an attitude with me is because, y'all, I'm scared. Okay, I'm doing it. Well, I tried to listen to him, so maybe he won't have an attitude with me because my hair is naturally red. Usually everybody with dark hair would use like 40 volume developer to lighten their hair because it's coming from such a dark color. But I decided to use a 30 volume because my hair is naturally red, so it would lift easier. I'm gonna show Brad Mondo out because I just like watching his videos. Like, I don't even really be doing nothing for real, but I just be liking his videos. I like when he be giving his little tidbits or whatever. He's pretty funny. The videos be funny. It's entertaining stuff for real. Oh shit. So shout out to Brad Mondo because, you know, basically all these videos on YouTube like this are dedicated to him. Oh no. I gotta hurry up and get it off, y'all. That's no bueno. As I take forever to get it off. Ah! Oh, that is terrible to... Y'all, I just got bleach on my toilet roll like a dummy. Anyway, whatever. I'm just gonna have to put a new one on there. Good. Dang, y'all, I did not know I had this much bleach on my shirt. That's why I wore a white one though. Anyway, the show must go on. Yo, this it's already blonde in the... Okay, it's very orange, but still, it's looking like my hair in the summer. Okay, this shit, it's like I keep... Y'all gonna think I'm tripping. It's like my eyeballs running into the fumes. Like, what the F? Like, it feels like a wall, literally. But you know, I could be tripping. So I'm gonna let this process, and then if it's not like the right color, I'm gonna put another layer on and just leave it on for longer. That always sound bad, sorry. But yeah, I'm about to put a shower cap on. Okay, I'm going to let the process. Okay, so I'm here to check in on it to see, and y'all, it's already looking pretty freaking blonde, and it's hot in here. Okay, wait, I'm not. Oh god, my hair is blonde. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Y'all, it looks pretty yellow, but I'm gonna leave it for a little bit longer and then I'm gonna come back. Boom! Okay, so this is what it looks like. I haven't put the purple shampoo in it yet, so I'm about to put the purple shampoo. But it says neutralizes yellow, and this is pretty yellow to me, you know. So I'm gonna see what this do, and I'm gonna come back to you. Let's do it. Okay, so this is the final product of me bleaching my hair. I don't even really know how I feel about it. I feel like it's kind of yellow, to be honest, but I feel like maybe later on I could do something, but for now I think it's pretty cool though. I cannot believe I did this. Seriously, let me know in the comments what y'all think. I'm very sleepy. I'm about to go to bed. I have more videos coming soon, so I'll see y'all then. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that. Bye.